help themselves. They must stop, pick, and go. And it's the same one always. But they don't take it all in the street. But why do you pick stuff up? And what do you do with it? Where's it go? That's the question. Greed. It all depends on what you're doing. Now, hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me on the show today. This is a vlog. Oh yeah, I'm talking, you're listening, you're commenting. I don't know. And I don't know how he makes that face and does it. It must be in his blood. Not even gonna worry about this one. Yeah, I saw a comment, a post, and that brought back memories. Ohio Fred and I, we definitely know. And I could say, I've seen that before. And I know the camera. And Steve WB made that post. Handshing. You ever hear handshing? HAN-SHING? And how about a company called iSpan? How about Vivitar? How about the company that was named Emerson that's no longer around? Like I said, you'll never get it, man. Yeah, those companies, I tell you, that was like that particular camera. And I remember seeing that camera years ago. And the quality wasn't 100% there because they never got past 6480, 6040, 640 by 480. I just couldn't spit that out, man. DVD quality was about the time they started to get those cameras going. And the one I loved, I liked, and Ohio Fred knows about it, was the Aptec IS-DV and the -DV2. Oh man, it's called the IS-DV2 actually. And then Polaroid made it, Aptec made one, and they were nice. Even Handshing had one very similar. And yeah, those times are gone. Those were the days, my friend. Yeah, I made a promise to myself, to me, to what? To little old me, yes indeed. Do a little bit better, Fish. Keep things short. Don't make them long. And don't put anything else that's showing. Oh yeah, you know what I mean. Hold that camera straight. Get the job done. And don't worry what others think. Little things happen in life. I share them out loud inside from here to you. And that is what you hear from me. And on that note, I think I am going to cut this one shy. It's a little too long for many people out there. They don't have the attention span of a T. Dinosaurus Rex.